Hello everyone, I am Manish Thokle. Today's video topic is string methods. So we can see string methods in Java. First one is caret. Caret. Return the character at the specified index position uh, character, that is called as caret method. Then we see code point at. Code point, return the unicode of the character at the specified index integer. This is called as code point at code point at method. Then we see code point before. uh, Return the unicode of the character before the specified index integer. Then we see code point count. Return the unicode in the specified text range of the string integer. Then we see compare to strings lexicographically integer. Then we see compare to ignore case. Compares to string lexicographically ignoring case, difference integer. Then we see concat, append a string to the end of another string that is called as concat method. Then we see contains method. Contains, check whether a string contains a sequence of character booleans, that is called as contains method. Then we see contains equals. Check whether a string contains the exact same sequence of a characters of this specified character sequence of a string buffer boolean, that is called boolean. Then we see copy value hop. Return a string that represents the characters of the character array string. Then we see end with. Check whether a string ends with the specified characters boolean. Then we see equals. Compares to strings. Return true if the string are equal and false if not boolean. Then next one is equals ignore case. Equals ignore case. uh, Compares to strings ignore case consideration block. Then we see format. Return a formatted string using the specified local format string and argument string. Then we see get bytes. Encode the string into a sequence of byte using the name char set, then storing the result into a new byte array. Then we see get characters. Copy characters from a string to an array of characters wide. Then we see hash code. Return the hash code of a string int, then index of. Return the position of the first found occurrence of a specified characters in a string integer. Then we see intern. Return the canonical representation for the string object string. Then we see is empty. Check whether a string is empty or not boolean. Then we see last index of. Return the position of the sequence of the last found occurrence of a specified characters in a string integer. Then we see length. Return the length of a specified string integer. Then we see match. uh, Search a string for a match against a regular expression and return the match boolean. Then offset by code points. Return the index within the string that is offset from the given index by code point offset. Code points is integer. Then we see region match. Test if two string string regions are equal, then boolean. Then we see replace method, searches a string for a specified values and return a new string where the specified values are replaced string. It's all about string methods. Thank you.